Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to share a beautiful master bathroom we just finished in Old Town Alexandria. This project was all about creating a fresh, modern, and functional space that homeowners can enjoy every day. In this video, we'll share the top 10 reasons why you should hire us to complete your home remodeling project. From quality craftsmanship to reliable service, we'll show you what makes us the right choice for your next renovation. Number 1, expertise and experience. First up, we bring a ton of experience to the table. Our team knows the ins and outs of bathroom renovations, so you can trust us to get it right. Number 2, customized solutions. We get it. Everyone has different tastes. That's why we work with you to create a design that's totally tailored to your style and needs. Number 3, time efficiency. Let's be honest, renovations can be a hassle. But with our team, we'll keep things moving efficiently so you can enjoy your new space sooner. Number 4, access to quality materials. We've built strong connections with suppliers, which means you'll have access to top-notch materials without breaking the bank. Number 5, project management. Don't worry about juggling contractors and schedules. We handle all of that for you. Our project management keeps everything on track. Number 6, increased home value. A stunning master bathroom isn't just great for you. It can also boost your home's value significantly. It's a win-win. Number 7, compliance with regulations. We make sure that everything we do meets local building codes and regulations. You can relax knowing your renovation is done right. Number 8, design insights. Our experience means we can offer design tips and ideas you might not have thought of, helping you create the bathroom of your dreams. Number 9, warranty and support. We stand behind our work. That's why we offer warranties on our craftsmanship and materials, giving you peace of mind. And finally, number 10, stress reduction. Let's face it, renovations can be stressful. By hiring us, you'll avoid the headaches and enjoy a smooth process from start to finish. Thanks for tuning in. If you're ready to transform your home with a remodel or addition, reach out to us at 703-9803-266. We'd love to help bring your vision to life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more home improvement tips. See you in the next video.